Want to fix Apex Legends the client is not running the anti-cheat? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to the Outlands. Let's dive in. First things first, this error means Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC, which protects Apex Legends, isn't launching or functioning correctly, often due to corrupted EAC files or conflicts. Now, the most crucial step is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat directly. Navigate to your Apex Legends installation folder, e.g. Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common Apex Legends, Easy Anti-Cheat. Run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe as an administrator. Select Apex Legends from the drop-down, then click Repair Service. Next, verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher, Steam or EA app. This will check for and repair any corrupted game files or EAC components. You'll also want to close all unnecessary background applications, especially any overclocking software, RGB control programs, or VPNs, as they can sometimes conflict with EAC. Restart your PC afterward. Ensure your antivirus software isn't conflicting with EAC. Temporarily disable your antivirus, launch the game, and if it works, add exceptions for Apex Legends and the Easy Anti-Cheat service. Finally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. If the problem persists, a full reinstallation of Apex Legends might be necessary, ensuring a clean install of EAC as well. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apex Legends tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.